Hi guys, welcome to this welcome to this Southwest Boeing 737-700 unboxing. This is a special livery. This model was ordered like 2 weeks ago, perfect on time. It was from Amazon, but it was sold from the airplane shop. It was only exclusively made for them, and this is the Louisiana 1 livery of Southwest. It's in the 1 to 400 scale. It's a decast model made by Gemini jets, as you can see. I've already seen the model out of box. It's great. There are not many things I could say they're wrong with the model. I'm not that type of person that would look for something bad. If I would see I don't know, a wing off, like with the American Airbus A319 Allegheny, I would, I don't know, send them an email or something. But with this, I don't really want to, it's perfect. I got this model just a few days when I had the plan in my head to make a special 2 episodes for the anniversary. And I have another idea of doing 5, just a random, maybe airport in Canada that I can do with printouts. That would be pretty fun, and that's what I figured out. So maybe why not? There is a big chance of me doing it pretty soon as another gift for you. Thank you for all the followers. There's actually, I gotta tell you that, like a barrier on my channel that we can't get above 40 subscribers. Because I don't know, is it something that YouTube does? But it's, once I have 40, I get 39, 41, 40, 49, 39, 40, 41, 38. That's pretty wild. But yeah, let's get back to the unboxing. So this is just a part of anniversary for our channel, 2nd year. We are online. This is the front of box, side, back. That's what I've already shown you. That's the airplane ship logo there. And actually, airplane shop, that's the shop that sells, like in Las Vegas, that's a airplane shop. It's not Gemini Jet store, even though it's branded that way. Okay, so I'll see you in a sec when I get it out of the box. So just ready to show you the normal wrapping. I can see 2 foils there, and it's already beautiful. A bit shiny though because of the plastic. But yeah, let's get it out of the box fully. So here it is outside the box. It's just beautiful. It's just really beautiful. Union, justice, confidence. That's the, I'm pretty sure that's the, it's Tennessee 1 livery. So I believe it's the Tennessee as the state flag, probably, or I don't know, logo. Just beautiful. Let me put it. As I can, the engines are beautiful. Pretty similar to Florida 1. They're made even better, I believe, down there. You can see the birds on, I like the front right here, like on the front part with the bird. I don't know how to say it properly. But yeah, I think you know what I mean. The engines look pretty cool with those thingies on there. Those are like small birds. Oh yeah, I know, that's the not logo. Oh my god, it's the Louisiana. Oh, I said Tennessee 1. I meant this is Louisiana 1 aircraft. Southwest livery. It's just gorgeous. I love it, and I'm not sure if they're selling them anymore, but it's just beautiful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, guys. Bye.